It was really hot today. We've had a massive cool change. I had no fuck all about birds, except that there's these two little guys who are, well, they weren't doing well earlier. I think they've fallen out of their nest or their parents kicked them out. I have no idea what's going on. The parents are there, one of them, and I just don't want them getting hit by other cars. This is just, I just feel that tonight and today is gonna just stress me the fuck out. So that's what I'll be doing, is babysitting two birds. I probably don't even need to. We don't have any bread. I can't feed them. The parents are coming down to check on them and feed them. I don't know what I'm fucking doing. I'm afraid to go and get bread. Like, the parents are there, kids are there. Quit fucking around and go upstairs, bitch. There. And that one there. You're alright, buddy. Here. Here's what I'll do. I'll move you just one more time. Put you right here. There you go. There you go. Okay.